As I said not too long ago on one of my videos, if Donald Trump is going to go down, it's going to be up to us to keep him down, the voters. Because we can't always count on the law, the Constitution, the laws that are supposed to bind all of us as citizens of this country to do it for us. By now you already know, federal judge Aileen Cannon, Donald Trump's bitch, has decided to indefinitely postpone his trial in Florida in the classified documents case. Her reasoning, and I quote in this decision she wrote, "The court also determines that the finalization of a trial date at this juncture, before the resolution of the myriad and interconnected pre-trial CIPA issues remain and forthcoming, would be imprudent and inconsistent with the court's duty to fully and fairly consider the various pending pre-trial motions before the court." Unquote. Translation: I know Donald Trump broke the law, but I'm going to do whatever it takes to defend him and protect him. The law and the Constitution be damned. Now, Cannon, we all know that somehow Donald Trump has something on you. We know that. Otherwise, you wouldn't be committing career self-destruction like this. Because you think that this isn't going to be scrutinized. You think you're not going to be investigated. You think Jack Smith's just going to take this lying down. Think again. But in the interim, I have to reemphasize what I said before. We can't count on the law or even the Constitution to protect us any longer. Because Donald Trump has his claws in the federal judge. Now, mind you, he appointed her, so obviously she thinks in her mind, or Donald Trump at the very least, thinks in his destructive mind, that he owns her. And the truth is, he might. Because I can't think of a single instance where a judge could possibly commit career self-destruction like this to protect a federal criminal. Donald Trump is accused of actually holding classified documents and even showing them to parties unknown. And that party unknown could possibly be adversarial governments to our country, i.e. Russia, i.e. North Korea, i.e. perhaps China. The real danger to all of this is the fact that this woman is laying Donald Trump off by proxy, saying they don't have enough time to do this, that, or the other. Yes, you do. You just don't want to make the time, Cannon. Like the Supreme Court and everyone else around Donald Trump, breaking their backs, destroying their lives and their careers to protect him, they will be the downfall of this nation. Donald Trump has not earned that kind of loyalty. Because obviously he has something on every single one of the judges and senators and congressmen who are breaking their backs to protect them. So as I said earlier, we can't count on the laws that are supposed to bind us all as citizens of this country to protect us any longer. Now, don't make the mistake of saying that I'm trying to call for anarchy or some kind of insurrection. I don't go that route. I leave that to the MAGA. I leave that to Donald Trump. I'm saying that if we're going to take down the MAGA, take down Donald Trump once and for all, we have to do it at the ballot box. We've got to do it in the next election. Because already we are hearing from the GOP and Trump's own family, Laura Trump, who's now the co-head of the GOP, that they're going to try to steal this election away for the sake of Donald Trump getting back into office. They're not even trying to hide it anymore. And thanks to Judge Aileen Cannon, they may have a chance to succeed. But we have a chance to put down the MAGA forever. Fight with our votes. Aileen Cannon may have given Donald Trump a minor reprieve, but make no mistake about it, there's more of us, real Americans who still believe in the Constitution and the law and justice and freedom than there are those who believe in one-man rule, especially if that one man happens to be Donald Trump. Fight with our votes. CTP, know the truth, God bless. Peace to the left, justice to the right.